Hey everybody, my name is Bob and I am with Novato, talking to you today about one of our fan favorites, but also a personal favorite of mine. It's the Absolute Black Natural Granite Sink, and the model number is NOSV-AN. So first of all, it is 17 inches round and it's about 7/8 inches thick, so almost an inch thick, and weighs in at a solid 55 pounds. So it's extremely heavy, really durable. On the inside, it is polished. As you can see here, it's going to be polished, a flat rim. And then on the outside, it's the coolest part. So as you can see here, it's chiseled on the outside. It's a natural exterior and kind of gives you a nice two-tone look. So it's solid black on the inside and kind of a nice polished gray on the outside. Then the bottom here is flat, so it really makes installation quite easy and seamless. You just need some silicone or an adhesive. No mounting ring or anything like that needed, because you're going to simply put it on your countertop like so. And once you hook up the drain, it's not going anywhere. It's going to be a really solid sink for you. So back to the inside and the plumbing connection. So it's 1.75 inches, and we always recommend our umbrella drain, is what we call it, mainly because our umbrella drain does not have an overflow, as this sink does not, and it also has a little bit longer threading, so it's really going to help get through like a thicker countertop or anything like that. As I was mentioning earlier, this sink is really unique in the fact that it kind of gives you a natural, kind of a natural look, but it's got a little bit of a modern feel to it. It looks really great on like a solid surface countertop, like a white quartz or something like that. It also looked great on granite. We've seen it in a number of applications that way. So with the sink being polished, you still would want to basically seal it. If you're getting it installed with like your granite countertop, then we would basically recommend sealing it at the same time, just to give you a little less maintenance. I mean, it's natural stone, just like your counter is. So we do have a product called Glacier Ice, and that helps basically seal and bond the stone, if you will, and it basically makes the water just kind of bead off of it. It's a hydrophobic sealer and really helps repel the water off of it. Basically keeps it looking new for quite a while. One application usually lasts about a year, so you're all set there. If you have any further questions or want to give us a call or an email, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks.